and cherish as long as I live. This undoubtedly will inspire not only me to work harder, but hopefully my children as well. My sincerest gratitude to the Committee of Gatubag Award for giving me this honor. Let me also recognize my group, the Philippines, the Philippine Association of Japanese Government Scholars, who placed their faith by endorsing me for this award. It is not just my sole effort that has brought me here, and I want to express my gratitude to my family, who supported me in all my undertakings. Without them, this experience wouldn't have been possible. To my parents, Mama and Papa, thank you for all the help you have given me over the years. Thank you for your presence and support in all those art contests I joined when I was still a kid. To my wife, Margie, thank you for your love and encouragement. Every little effort you are doing for me is simply amazing. And most importantly, I thank God for gracing my life with opportunities that I know is not of my hand or any other hand, any other human hand. As it is written in John chapter 3, verse 27, a man can receive nothing unless it has been given him from heaven. This award is given to me not because I am good, but because God is good to me. And to Him I give all the glory. Thank you very much.